I got this roof rack from LexlandGear.com, and with the discount code SoCal, you're able to save 20% if you want one of your own. In this video, I want to show you how to install it, give you a review of it, and just let you know how it sounds on the truck itself, because now we're putting something on our roof. And as a lot of people know, some roof racks can be noisy, and I'm going to let you know how this one is at the end of the video. So let's jump right into it. Let's get to unboxing. Look at that. Right side, here it is, the toolkit. It's all just right there. It's a couple of screws that goes through. We have the sealant, the hex tool. Too easy. Let's see what it looks like. That is gorgeous. You feel the quality, like this, the piece of metal that goes right across feels really good. Everything's already pre-installed for you. It's got a nice piece of rubber gasket here. All right, let's get these installed. First step, we have to remove these plastic trim tabs right here. So let's pop them open. Now I'm just using this little trim tab to get my fingers underneath here, and they just pop up. It takes a little bit of force. Don't force it too much, but they do pop right up. And then underneath here is this little rubber tab, and you could use your finger and push down, and you feel where those two holes are. Then we're going to take our knife, feel for the two holes, and I like doing just the X method, where you take the knife and you slide it in like so, make an X, and then just cut out the extra pieces inside here. Very good, that's it. Now that we've cut out the holes and removed all these trim pieces, we're just going to take a nice microfiber cloth and clean off this area. Then we're going to take and add our sealant right around the edge of the hole here. And if a little gets inside, it should be fine. And I'm going to do that on all 4 holes on each side. And here we go. We're going to just line this up, put it in place. So we're going to line up the back because that's the easiest. And then come on down for the front. There we go. Okay, that looks great. Let's drop in the screws. Next, I had to install the crossbars. Now, these were attached when I unboxed it, but the screw was very loose, so you're able to unscrew it. You move it out of the way so you have access to the 2 bolts that go into the roof. And now we're just reinstalling it and making sure that everything fits before we do a real final tighten down on all 10 bolts. Now that you have your roof rack installed, you pop open the latch here, take it, swing it over, and then you just rest it over here. And it has enough tension here to keep them from actually hitting the paint itself. Come over on the other side, lift up, over and down, up. Then we take it, clip it in place, and up. I guess I have to go over and push it down. Now that you have your roof rack installed, it's looking fantastic. Driving down the highway, having these closed, you don't even know it's here. Once you have these opened up, you hear it a little bit. It's not bad at all. Next week, I have to haul a ladder around that's 24 feet. I can't fit it in the bed of the truck. I can throw it up top here because this is able to handle 260 pounds of static weight and 160 pounds of dynamic weight. So this is definitely gonna be able to handle a lot of gear. Get yours at LexlandGear.com and use the promo code SoCal.